Hello everyone. Welcome to the Fortis Cancer Summit, first time by Fortis, hosted in Bangalore at Sheraton Grand on 27th and 28th of January 2024. The theme of this session is practice-changing advances in precision oncology. Our focus is on all the subspecialties in oncology, including medical oncology, hematology, pediatric oncology, subspecialties of other oncology subspecialties, including surgical oncology, radiation oncology and newer techniques, theranostics, diagnostics, including oncopathology, and of course, interventional radiology. We have almost 30 countries participating with 300 faculty from India and abroad. And of course, we wish to welcome you all. Please register for the Congress and be a part of us. Thanks so much.